Now let's look at the concept of dictionary in Python. So the name dictionary indicates that there should be some word and then there should be some definition to that word, right? So the concept is same. In Python, that word is called a key. We do have a word and we have a definition for that word as well. So that word is called a key and that definition is called a value. So we have a key and value pair, right? This is what we have. So a key and value pair. And we have different keys and every key has a certain value. This is what a dictionary is. So now let's look at the syntax and you will understand the concept better. So this is my key, right? Okay, what you do is you write the name of your dictionary. For example, this is phone book equals to, and followed by that, you write the curly braces here. So the dictionary is identified as curly braces. So you write the curly braces here, and after that you write different key value pairs, right? So let's look at the first key value pair, which is this. This is the first key value pair. So what I have done here is I have written Ali, and this Ali is actually a key, right? This is the key, and this key is followed by a value. So between the key and the value, I have to write colon, and then after that I can write the value. So this name has this particular phone number, for example, right? This is how it goes. And then this is another key value pair. So here I have written this key and then followed by colon, I have written the value, and my keys are actually in strings. And every key value pair is differentiated with commas, is separated with commas. This is how you declare a dictionary, and you have just seen that. Now let's say we want to add another key value pair to this dictionary. So how can we do that? What we do is we write the name of the dictionary and then followed by that in square brackets we write the key. So this is the key which we want to add here, which we want to append at the end of this dictionary. So we write the key and then equals to sign and then the value of that key. Now if you want to print our dictionary, just write print and the name of your dictionary. Just do that. It's easy, and you can see the output here. And you can also see that this last key value pair is appended here at the end, right? Okay, if you want to delete a particular item, a particular key value pair from the dictionary, how to do that? So use the keyword del, the name of your dictionary, and then you write the key inside the square brackets, right? And if you want to print one particular value from this dictionary, you want to fetch some particular value, some particular key value pair. So if you want to do that, what you do is you write the name of the dictionary, the name of your key. So this key will be searched in this phone book, in this dictionary. It will be searched here. So wherever Python will find this key, it will print the value corresponding to this key. That will be printed, right? You can test that, you can see that. And if you just want to list the name of the keys, all the keys, you want the name of all the keys and not the values, just the keys. If you can do that, you can easily do that by writing phone book, the name of your dictionary, dot keys, and with followed by the function size, the brackets, function brackets. So when you do that, you can just print them. So you can write that inside print function, that will be printed. I have written them inside list function. So what I'm doing here is I'm converting the keys in a list and then printing that. This is what I'm doing.